Bitcoin to zero. To zero. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, guys. Happy Saturday. Bitcoin is going for a little bit of a run here, so it's a bit of a run. Nice little inverse and shoulder there for BTC. What are you guys up to? How's your Saturday? We'll give it a few minutes and then we can take a look at some of these things here. Listen to article. Interesting. Let's go, Jason. Over time, over the short button. Yep. I why am I scaring you, Kobe? Sorry. Sorry. Hello, Luna. Hello, Kobe. Hello, Jason. Hello, Euro. Olaji. Hello. Hello, Maddie. Hello, guys. Irish. Hello. Happy Saturday. Good to see you all. Bhakti. Hello. 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 Jason, you're getting ready to short, aren't you? Getting ready to short. Honestly, yo, Stuart. Yo. Look at you, Stuart. Ay. Good to see you always. I'm afraid to trade after the last few days. You're afraid to trade? Yeah. 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 We need to get above, like, again. So for me, like, you know, before we get to Monday here, I think Bitcoin has to get above $22,000. If not, if we break below $20,000 again, yeah, pack your bags. Because we're in for a roller coaster to the bottoms. If we break below $20,000 again, I think the market. Yeah, Stuart. Yeah. How are you, Stuart? Just the fact that the market's done so well this week, right? So we know crypto's followed the market closely over the last few weeks now. Well, to some extent always has, right? So if we are failing to actually break above any key resistance levels when the market is rallying, you know what I mean? Like if we're failing, so we follow the market on the way down, huge sell off, right? So, but then the market rallies on its own and Bitcoin really doesn't follow. If we fail to break above a level like $22,000 by Monday, I think we're looking for the abyss, right? If we find our way below $20,000 again, Bitcoin goes to the abyss. Let's go, Stuart. Erin, come on. Good, happy Saturday. Is on a five wave up, and then we will hit that lows one more time. Okay. Has another leg down? Yeah, it does. It does. At least it tests the double bottom, Stuart. It's like a skeleton market. Yeah, it just feels like we want to go down instead, right? So we've had honestly like every reason over the last week to go up, right? Just feels like we've had a lot of reasons to go up, and yet we haven't really been above any key levels for Bitcoin here. So we're still looking for the Luna and meme coin. No, that's not why. That's well. Again, there's that level of like if Luna crashes, yeah, everything's been questioned in crypto. But that's not the reason why crypto's down though. There are bigger issues than that. Hey yo, come on! I like the hands gesture. Abyss to the abyss we go. You know what I mean? A lot of more factors than that. Yeah, no, there are a lot of reasons why crypto's crashing, not just meme coin. Um, yeah, I mean, when people see the market, when these guys see people printing money in meme coins, they have to, you must think like, yeah, they're gonna have to find a way to stop this, right? So, also, Luna, right? Luna brings a little bit of like negativity around like just crypto in general. So yes, that's a factor, but there are bigger issues than that, though, right? So you have inflation, you have this, you have a war, you have blah blah blah. So there are a lot of issues why crypto is going down. So yeah, it's okay. They have potential. on authenticating NFTs. Okay, nice spot. Nice, nice, nice. Hugh, is good to see you. Wow, you finally showed up for one of these. Good to see you. I was coming on the stream and I was just browsing through the news and I saw this. We're heading absolute nonsense. This is from China though. So there's always that level, like there's always that there's always like an alternative agenda behind these things that come out of you know you always want to ask yourself, like, is there a reason for, like, when someone says, oh yeah, we're going to zero, like, what's the reasoning behind this, right? There always has to be a reason before you get into these articles. So let me know if you know what the reasoning behind this is. But yeah, we are literally in the middle of a recession, yeah, right? So I'm here to learn. There you go. Airdrop from BK says only a matter of time before people realize Litecoin is better than Bitcoin. Only downside with LTC is less secure. However, it's been around 11 years without problems. Okay, BK. Yeah. I mean, security is a pretty big thing, though. Security is a big thing when it comes to crypto. There's like three. Yeah. People talk about like the trilemma, three things, right? Security is one of them. So, um, Waffle, it's been a while to be fair. They were once coming out they were once coming out weekly. Yep. But it's never been this, I don't know if it's ever been this aggressive though. Where China says, yep, Bitcoin is heading to zero. Moves up and down, but nothing has changed. There's still a war, exactly, Tesh, right? So, anyways, I just want to read a few key. I just want to see if there's anything on this article that's like we should be paying attention to. And so they say we're going to zero, heading to zero. China issues shock Bitcoin warning amid the 2 trillion crypto crash, right? So. Nah. Let's see here. So Bitcoin cryptocurrencies have been rocked by a huge 2 trillion crash this year. Blah blah blah. Again, I just want to skip through a whole bunch of this, guys. I'm not really interested in all of that rubbish. So Bitcoin drop. Okay, cool. We know that. The Tesla billionaire. Nah, newspaper. Nah. Okay, cool. Wait, what? Should be prepared. Uh, the Tesla billionaire Elon Musk revealed a surprise crypto bet. A Chinese Communist Party newsletter has warned investors should be prepared for the Bitcoin price to hit zero. Interesting. Is that all it gives me? No. So according to that article, right? So according to the article from these guys, they're saying Bitcoin is nothing more than a string of digital notes, and it returns mainly come from buying low and selling high. Blah blah blah. Right? So okay, cool. And then it goes on to say in the future, once investors' confidence collapses or when sovereign countries declare Bitcoin illegal, it will return to its original value, which is utterly worthless. So that's the reasoning, right? So they're basing this off. The reasoning is based off like people losing confidence in Bitcoin. Also, again, some countries declaring Bitcoin illegal. Uh, Okay. Happy Saturday, Carlos. So you streaming, stop by to drop a like. Thank you. Let's go, Carlos. Happy Saturday to you as well. Good to see you. Good to see you. Um, anything else? Mm, the order of Bitcoin miners, blah 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 blah. Yeah, that's it though. Like, there's not a whole lot to this article from these guys. Um, so it goes on to say again, like last year, right? So comprehensive crackdown on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in China sent the Bitcoin price into free fall after the CCP ordered all Bitcoin miners who use powerful computers to secure the Bitcoin network and validate transactions in return for fresh Bitcoin to shut down, right? So we know these guys. They're shutting down all that stuff anyways, right? Was that like before the pandemic? Yeah, there you go. So yeah, I don't know if that reasoning seems weak to me though. I was looking for some good reasons here. That's weak. That's weak. Um, that just seems like a personal agenda there to me, rather than like actual like like actual research. That's very weak. They're like, yeah, as soon as all these countries declare Bitcoin illegal, I mean, they have power. They can maybe persuade some countries to do that. They can, but yeah, if you're basing it off like investors like sentiment and also countries banning Bitcoin, I mean, like we've seen a lot of acceptance over the last year already, right? So just in the states, you have all these states, accepting crypto, accepting Bitcoin now for like taxes and this and that, right? So um, you know, countries using it as legal tender now. So uh, all of this that rubbish, yeah. Like in the back of my mind, I can kind of see where they're coming from with like investor sentiment. Let me know what you guys think about this article. Do you guys think this is absolute waffles, absolute rubbish, or there's some merit to this? Some merit to this, guys. Anybody going to zero, headed down? I think we're headed lower, but to zero, that's a different question, right? So to zero, I think they're just looking to grab that headline there, because once Bitcoin gets to a level, as much as so, what I'm trying to say is the reason for me, the reason why we're not really bouncing as much as we used to, is because people don't really have the money anymore to speculate, right? So we're no longer getting free money, right? Printing of money, we're no longer getting free money, and also people are just concerned about what's happening in the economy, right? People are really concerned. There's not a whole lot of interest, right? So you're not really seeing those massive bounces we used to see now, right? But this article talking about zero and losing confidence, once we get to a level, people will find monies like out of the crack of something, you know like people will find money somewhere. They're like, oh my goodness, I can buy Bitcoin for what? For what? Right? I'm not sure what that number is. But at some point people will fall more like mad, right? So comment, but coin money, just paper. Exactly. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, exactly. Stuart. Yeah. I didn't want to argue with that. I just yeah. That's what a lot of stuff is, though. Yeah. You say just paper, right? I don't know. Anyways, um, there's this article over here too. This one's really good. It's really long, so it's posted in Discord. Gary posted this one in Discord. There's some really key points in here, like in terms of charts and blah blah blah. For example, like this one tells you, kind of gives you like an historic, like historic dip levels, and so hopefully you guys can see that chart. Yeah. Let me see here. Oi, my screen is giving me issues here. Doesn't want to let me zoom back out now. Next week will be brutal. Next week. Come on, fix yourself. Fix yourself. That was a really good article from Gary. It's lots, yeah, like it really is. It really is here, Stuart. I liked it a lot. A really good article. I think the only thing with this article, though, um, like every other dip we've had in the market has been based around like in crypto, right? Bitcoin. So every other dip we've had has been under like normal circumstances, like bear market, sure, right? But it's been like we haven't had a war, right? So no talks about recession, right? Inflation not being as high as it is, right? So there are a lot of things that are different with this with this dip now. So that's the red flag, right? So yeah. So that again, that's a huge factor, right? Combining all those things together in a bear market, that makes it a little bit more complicated. It's just an easy to make money as a long position. So again, I think my concern here for crypto, though, again, the fact that the market's been rallying this week, regardless of what's happening, right? The fact that the market rallied this week, and for some reason we can't seem to get above like any key level. So let me pull up the daily chart here, or the hourly, or something different. So that's the minute, right? I want to look at something else here. Like we can barely rally above like 20, like 2020. We can barely hold like 21.5. We've been failing at 21.4 for the last few hours all night long, right? We've been failing at that level there. So that's really concerning. Um, what else here? So what I'm really looking for, let me pull up the daily chart, and then I'll take a look at the 4 hour. see what that looks like in terms of technicals here, right? So, na 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 na. I can see what we're feeling there. That's the day. That's the daily 9-day moving average there. Interesting. I can see what we're feeling to hold above that level. Um, yeah. I would really like for that thing to break above that level there. Actually, 21.4. That seems to be a really interesting level then. So 21.4 and $22,000. I'd like to break above those levels. If we're not above like one of those levels, if we're not above like those levels by Monday, I think we and we break below $20,000. I think almost might be blind shorts. Blind short if you break below $20,000 again, because then we're going a lot lower. At least it tested that double bottom at 17.5 ish, right? So I feel like we've been waiting for a double bottom test anyways. If we fail here, right, and the market sells off next week, then yeah, okay, cool. I guess we're heading lower. Not so much with no. No. We need some fat green candles to even about we need some boom boom candles, Stuart. I'm really I wanted some boom boom candles this weekend. Wanted some boom boom candles. Wanted a rally. There's just not a whole lot of interest, it doesn't seem like, right? So don't forget to smash a like, guys. Smash a like. All the fun stuff. All the fun stuff. Question for you guys in the chat though. Just yes or no, right? Just want to see how what you like, what your sentiment is around crypto, even though we're trying to rally here now. Do you guys think we see new lows? Yes or no? Do you think we see new lows for crypto, for Bitcoin? Do you see new lows? Let me know. Changes to fundamental value. La, la, la. Let me know in the chat. I'm just reading the last part of this article here. Luna, blah, blah, blah. Summarizes Bitcoin bear market so far. Let's see here. We need some, hope so. You got your USDC ready, risky trades? Okay, nice. Retest previous lows. Okay, there you go. Yeah, and I feel like we've been waiting for that for quite a while now. Honestly, Stuart. I know Gary's waiting as well. He's waiting for a double bottom to add his position. He's waiting. Then there's a nice summary here for this article too, so that's good. So they say to summarize the 2021-2022 Bitcoin bear market so far, we are following the statistics and observations, right? So prices have drawn down 73% below the all-time high, which is consistent with the upper bound of previous bear market lows. Top to bottom duration is between 227 and 435 days, depending on where the bear market is determined to have commenced. Deviation, okay, cool. Below the 200 is so large that it only a 2% of trading days have been worse. Blah blah blah. The market has seen the largest monthly decline of realized gap in history. Okay, cool. This is supported by spending behavior, which is locked both. Okay, cool. It's just a nice like overall read, right? So when I look at this article though, it doesn't really talk about like there's a lot more going on. Lots more. Anyways, what's going on here? Oh, I'm annoyed about GMT because would have been nice to go long GMT at 60 cents. 60 cents. Thought about it, but that's okay. Now we're pushing for $1 here, GMT. Unbelievable. 60 cents, Stuart. 60 cents. That would have been a nice little position. Holy Shiba, what's Shiba doing? Shiba is pumping. Oh no, is Shiba pumping? Let me take a look, guys. Um, mm, 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 mm. Shiba pumping here. Oh, where's Shiba? Right there. Ooh. I got Jason says, "Holy Shiba." Post and in Discord about the fastest recovery, the fastest recovering altcoins he did. Stewart, okay. Huh, I completely missed that. Completely missed that. Oh, there we go. La, la, with the highest recovery. Okay, cool. Solana eats, yeah, Solana eat Cosmos, yep. FTM, okay, cool. Link, ADA, yeah, interesting. Mm, which recover quickly when Bitcoin gets moving. Okay, cool. Yeah. Matic should be in there too. I feel like Matic should be in there too, Stuart. So let me pull this up, guys. Which are they? Yeah, so there you go. Right. So these are the fastest recovering altcoins. So when the market recovers, these ones will the chunky green candles. Yeah, yeah, that's cool. Solana, FTM, like that. Avalanche, Link. Surprised Ada is in there and Matic isn't. Not to see. Yeah, I'm surprised Ada is in there and not Matic. Everything else, yeah, I agree with. Um, Ada goes for those crazy runs though. Like Ada will go for those crazy runs. So yeah, crazy runs. Mm-hmm. And for peer-to-peer trading, you got banned. BTC will probably crash even more. Probably. Mm. Let's see. Interesting. I'm ready for this. Yeah, ready for this. Ready for this recovery. Ready. Just yeah. We'll see. Anyways, that's a nice little gives you ideas of what to do, Stuart. When the you know an idea of what to do here. Yeah. No, these crashes will only create opportunities for some nice little monies. So I keep setting it to the abyss, I guess. Anyways, is there anything else I wanted to look at here? Oh yeah, wow. Yeah, Shiba. Why is Shiba just going here? I know Shiba goes for these crazy runs, but I mean Shiba ran what 40-60% last week, 60%, and then sold off, accumulating. Yeah, near okay, near. Yeah, near is always one of those. When you take a look at those bubbles, Stuart, near is always one of the bigger ones. Let me see if I can take one up here. Yeah. What does the daily look like here? Probably looks like doo doo, just like everything else. It's trying. Yep. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, it just looks like every other chart. Ooh, I wanted to look at the 4 hour chart for Bitcoin. Just completely forgot to look at that as well. What are we holding in this? 20-day moving average? Okay, cool. Yeah. That doesn't look good though. That just looks like a double top to me there, right? At 21.6, just a double top and a sell off, um, with a potential double bottom at $20,000 there. Potential double bottom at 20,000. Yeah, if we break below that 20 level, I think we go. I think we come back and test this level here, right? So I'm not sure where this line is here. I might have to delete that. Not sure where that's coming from. Really don't care about that though. I'm gonna put one at $20,000 here, right? So again, obviously 20 is important. We had a nice little inverse head and shoulder here formed, right? So shoulder on the left, shoulder on the right hand side, and then the head in the middle, right? So nice inverse head and shoulder rally, double top at 21.6. So that's going to be a level we need to break here, right? 21.6 ish here. So we're failing at that level for now, right? If we fail to reclaim that level by this weekend, um, I think that's concerning, right? So, and then we break below $20,000, and then obviously we're selling off to come test this whatever level this is here, right? So, what a sell off here though! Wow, what a sell off! So, a few key levels here to look at. Craziness, money is in it, and some great tech for scaling. Okay, nice. Oh, I'll add near to the list of things to watch when the market goes to the abyss, Stuart. So, anyways, anyways, I don't know why Shiba is running. Shiba just goes for those massive runs when people get excited, right? So I think that's the only reason there. Nothing else. Happy to see FTM on that list, though, Stuart. I've seen it like do some crazy runs over the last week or so. Whenever crypto rallies, it's always like almost at the top of the list in terms of like percentage gained. So I like seeing that, at least for now, until we can get back above. Yeah. Let me see here. She was definitely drunk. Really. Okay, cool. There we go. So that's a good question, right? So we're dipping. You should. 35 was 22. Yeah, it was. What is it at now? It's at FTM is at what, 29. Wow, okay, cool. Oh, wait, that thing was at 22 cents. Oh wow, to 29. Bringing out a phone. No, I did not, Stuart. They're bringing out a phone. Oh, cool. What did it do with interesting. Yeah, I completely missed that 22-cent dip there for yeah. Anyways, no, that's a good question, right? So again, market's dipping. Are you guys just watching, or is anybody buying anything, right? So what are you guys buying, right? So what's everyone buying during the dips? What are you guys buying? You guys buying some Solana, some FTM, some Shiba? What are you guys buying? Or are you just waiting? I feel like most people are waiting here. I feel like majority of you guys are just waiting, right? So again, there's not a lot of money, not a whole lot of money left. After the printing, we've all after the printing and the spending, um, and the fact that everything in terms of price, like gas prices, this price, that price, everything's so expensive now. I feel like people are just waiting. Honestly, Stuart, I feel like people are waiting. Shiba's going right back down, right back down. You're shorting Matic right now. You are okay. Let me take a look at Matic. Yeah, Matic had a nice rally, really nice rally there. Really nice rally. So you're shorting Matic. In on the you did okay. Thank you, Stuart. Thank you. I'll take a look. Take a look. That's a nice little top there where you're shorting. Just below 60 cents. Let me see what the 4 hour looks like here for Matic. Yeah, Matic is just stopping there, just like everything else, right? So Matic is hitting resistance and failing. BTC, when BTC was below 20. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Here I remember. I remember. Yeah, so you're shorting this thing here, right? Just below, just around resistance there, which is not a bad idea, right? So, yeah, if that thing gets back above like a 59 or something like that, you want to be careful because it might be on its way back up above 60 cents, right? So entries, yeah, okay, nice, not bad, not bad at all. You almost caught the absolute top there, right? So these are 4 hour candles here, and they've been struggling, right? Struggle buzz. Same story on the left hand side, right? Like this level's been an obstacle, right? For a while now. So not surprised they're shorting Matic around that spot. I wouldn't short Matic too much, Robert. Yeah, Matic is one of those ones that would turn around and explode really quickly. So you have to watch really closely. You have to watch really closely. Yeah, I had a little like long Matic position at like 48 cents, but then it just looked weird around 50 cents, and I took it, and that thing said nope, 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 60 cents. Here we go, and it just exploded. Yeah, stop loss and entry, at entry, and watching it closely. There you go. Yeah, nice. Yeah, no, especially for these shorts, right? For these like shorts, I don't know if you're shorting in leverage as well, but you want to make sure you have a stop loss because you never know what happens. You never know what happens. Yeah, not a bad short at all. Not bad, not bad. If we break below this level here at 57, you might be if we break below that little so what's my blue there? My blue is a 200 on the 4 hour. Okay, cool. Yeah, so if we break below that, yeah, right. So but below the 200 here, just again 566, right? 0.566, you might be in for a nice little dip. Nice dip to the abyss. At least it tested 20, and then the other moving averages all the way down there, right below 50 cents. So, but then again, that's going to depend a lot on what that crypto does over this weekend. Yeah, we'll see. Most of the charts still look very similar to this year. Very similar. Robert, so Robert, why wouldn't you short Matic? You just think why wouldn't you short it? Water. Shiba has been doing these crazy 2% candles. Yeah, that's crazy because if you're leveraged, if you're in the right direction, you can make some nice money. If you're in the wrong direction, though, you could get liquidated really quickly. Yeah, so he was buying some Solana. I think Hugh bought Solana below 30 as well, and Bitcoin below 20. So still in a good spot, right, Hugh? Still in a really good spot. You're just praying Bitcoin can rally here. Yeah, would have been nice if Bitcoin was honestly. It would have been really nice if Bitcoin broke above this level, that 21.6, and held above that. Would have been really nice to see, right? Just sit back and relax and wait for $22,000, hopefully. But the fact that we're struggling to clear resistance here, and what level is that? 29. Okay, cool. I know we've had some really good support around 28 too, like 20,800, right? If we create a new low, mm, if we create a new low there, I yeah, 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 yeah. Also, if you look at the chart though, like if you look at the daily chart, the last time Bitcoin sold off hard, um, we did a 2 day thing where like Bitcoin sold off on the weekend, so we rallied on during the week, right? So rallied during the week. This was around $48,000, right? And then sold off Saturday, Sunday, and then rallied Monday, Tuesday, rallied hard, right? And then crashed hard, and then hit new lows, right? So of Doge. For the fun of it, okay. So average is in and about 8. Okay, sounds good. 8 cents you. Yeah, Doge is fun. When Elon decides to, Doge is fun. I'm sure Doge is gonna have more fun coming in the future with Elon and SpaceX rocket launch and whatnot, right? So I'm sure that's gonna be. But it's hard to do all that stuff in the bear market. It's hard. It's hard to get rallies in this market. Robert says, I feel Matic is going to follow Solana, and we know when the crypto takes back off, Solana will rip. Yeah, Robert. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, he has his stop loss in Robert, and he's ready, 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 ready to get rid of it. For a while, yeah, rocket launching incoming. Yeah, no, it hasn't made. Yeah, yeah, Stuart. I mean, even last week, Shiba ran what 50%, and Dogecoin did nothing. Well, I mean, 10% was below 6 cents. Don't watch it well, as you should. No, that's okay. That's okay, honestly. Just again, it's little fun money, anyways. You don't want to be averaging in too much, right? So, just in case that thing goes to the abyss with everything else. Hey yo, made it eventually, Gary. Gary says, made it eventually. Welcome, welcome, Gary. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I didn't want to go over like the entire article, that article that you posted in Discord. Just a few key points there. Again, yeah, it's a really good read, Gary. Like really, really good, right? So I think the only thing this article is missing here, in comparison to like all the previous dips here, with all that data, is the fact that again, like we have some things that have never like doing Bitcoins, like lifetime here. It hasn't been through a war, not really, right? Through a recession. There are a few things that are completely different now, right? So, yeah, that's the only thing that it's missing. But it's a really good article, really good article, right? So, and also, Gary, China says Bitcoin is going to zero. It's heading for zero. So, pack your bags, pack your bags. China says we are heading to zero. China says it's worthless, and we are heading to zero. Zero. So hey yo, William. Hi, William. Hey yo. Fun money. Yeah, if Solana and Doge went to zero, it wouldn't really hurt me. BTC has more careful words. Hugh. Yeah, yeah. China can suck it. No, the points of the points here that China is making, they're very weak, very weak to me at least. Um, right. So the reasoning behind saying Bitcoin is going to zero is right. So they're saying, well, again, they're saying it's just a whole bunch of notes, which is fair, right? So, but then the thing here is we're going to zero because investors will lose confidence. So once investor confidence collapses, right, and when sovereign countries declare Bitcoin illegal, we will return to its original value, which is utterly worthless. Um, so not exactly true though, right? Because if you want to talk about value and being worthless, most of the time, things are worth something because we perceive value, because we put value behind them. That's why a lot of the things that we see as valuable have value, right? So because yeah, uh, for to then buy, yeah, China would say this and then buy the dip, right? So, anyways. Hey, William. I was flying complete the moon, even Mars. Don't don't know you're flying to, William. Oh no, you're flying to Andromeda. That's where uh, that's where you're going. And, but I'm heavy in Doge, Matic, and Shiba, Solana. You are, Robert. Okay, nice. Yeah. Wait. Just wants to release. Oh yeah, they want to release. Yeah, and then that's the thing we talked about too, right? So like when these guys, when you get news articles like this from a suspected criminal, you always want to know like what the intention is. Like, what are you trying to get at here? What's your reasoning behind this? So it has no value, but then you're creating your own. You're creating your own, so you clearly see value in like cryptocurrency. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. Right. So yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of monies in Bitcoin, and that's the thing too. That when we talk about all this stuff and all the crazy dips we look for, there's a lot of monies in Bitcoin. These guys won't just let it go to the abyss, right? So, um, not to the abyss. But anyways, Gary, another thing too is I'm sure you've I know you're waiting for that double bottom dip, right? So another thing for me too that's been concerning this whole weekend is the fact that like the market rallied. I mean, when I say rallied hard, the last two trading days. Any thoughts? I'll take a look at waves. Waves is a nice volatile. Twitter seems to think waves is a scam. Don't call me. So, anyways, right? Like the market's rallied hard the last two trading days here. Hard, hard, hard. Bitcoin can't seem to break above anything, right? So it was still below 2021 4, 21 5, 21 6, 21 6, and then $22,000, right? Like we're not really clearing any levels of resistance, really. We're just these are just baby rallies here, right? What happened there? Yes. Right, these are just baby rallies. So again, if we start selling off here and break below $20,000, yeah, new bottoms, double bottom at the very minimum confirmed for me. So we'll see, right? Because this looks weak, 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 weak on Bitcoin. Look into the trading, they're changing their mind on Bitcoin. Okay, baby rallies. These are baby rallies, you know. Stuart, what's this rubbish here? Well, we've been spoiled though. We've been spoiled. In the past, you know, Bitcoin would dip to like $30,000 and then rally $4,000 back to the upside. You know what I mean, Stuart? You know, we would dip to like 35 and rally to and test $40,000, like massive, massive, massive rallies, right? So now we get $1,000 and it's like, hi, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I need a dip. I need a 70% retracement dip. Yeah, market always rallies before recession. Rally before the recession. Oh. Maybe it's just because I'm disappointed. Though I was expecting big things this weekend, Stuart. Big things, big things from crypto this weekend. But nope, we're getting show me the monies. Marlo says, show me the monies. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Then most of it now though is just a waiting game. Because as much as we look at all the data we can look at, it's just a waiting game. Just a waiting game for some of these levels to break, right? Again, if we break above $22,000, then yeah, okay, cool. Yes, okay. Let's rally to 26. You know, let's rally to 26 and then maybe find a top and then come back and retest, right? So if we break below $20,000, okay, cool. Then let's go test that double bottom at 17.5, right? So we're just waiting for now. There's really nothing we can do, right? We just wait. And then of course Powell is speaking next week as well, so we're waiting for more, more data. Um, She's speaking at the ECB on Wednesday, so ECB with all those other countries, right? So that's going to be interesting to listen to. Whale alert, Stuart says. The weekend is still young? I guess so. I guess so. I guess the weekend is young. I guess we can rally today. Um, I guess so. Fine. I don't know if yeah. Crypto is just for trading, not for invest. Crypto is gambling. If you want to invest, better gold, property, or stock with a good company, which gives you a good dividend. Um, um, there's a lot I can say about that. I don't know if and that's the thing too. The right. So again, part of this reasoning here from this from Kwan, right? Part of this reasoning is just like as much as we don't think about it, right? Especially in the short term, right? So in the short term, majority of people look at crypto as speculative, right? So as gambling money, right? So completely wrong. Look at the returns of gold in the last decade. Oh, here you go, Stuart. Send Russia article. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Gary. Let me see here. I'm gonna pull that up. Pull that up here. um, no, as much as people talk about like gold and whatnot, and invest, do this and that, just not. I just won't do that. I just won't do that. I think I can get better returns somewhere else. Like even gets volatility. Yeah, Gary. Yes, do it. Yeah, right. So even like dividend stocks. Nah. Yeah. There's a type of investor that does stuff like that. That's just not me though. Look at Bitcoin. What are you doing? What are you doing? Invested in with Marlo Enterprise. Come on, let's go, Marlo. We may or may not make you a profit. We may or may not make you a profit. Let me see what this article says here, Gary. So we may or may not make you a profit. Russia considers accepting Bitcoin for oil and gas. Interesting. It's funny how China will say, "Ooh, cool. We're going to zero," and then Russia's like, "Come on, give us your Bitcoin." Right? This is not the first time they're doing this. They're accepting Bitcoin for services. It seems like, right? So Russia is considering accepting Bitcoin as payment for its oil and gas exports, according to a high-ranking lawmaker. Right? So Pavel, okay, cool. Friendly countries says friendly countries or could be allowed to pay in the cryptocurrency or in their local currencies, right? So earlier this week, Russian President Vladimir Putin said that they wanted unfriendly countries to buy its gas. That he wanted unfriendly countries, like how they've classified them like as friendly or not friendly. On or about never. On or about never. Earlier this week, okay, cool. To buy friend, la la la. So I zoom in a bit so you guys can see what I'm looking at. The move is understood to be aimed at boosting the Russian currency, which has lost over 20% in value this year. Sanctions imposed by the UK, US, and European Union following the invasion of Ukraine have put a strain on Russia's ruble and raised its cost of living. However, Russia is still the world's biggest exporter of natural gas and the second largest supply of oil. Blah blah blah. Okay. Huh. Ways to receive payment. Okay, cool. So there you go. Right. So Mr. Pavel, right, who heads Russia's State Duma Committee on Energy, said Thursday that the country has been exploring alternative ways to receive payment for energy exports. He said China and Turkey were among friendly countries which were not involved in the sanctions. Interesting. We have been proposing to China for a long time to switch to settlements in national currencies. Okay, cool. Huh, interesting. You can also trade bitcoins. Okay, from accepting. Interesting. This is the article a little old. Launch this week though. Okay, sounds good. Someone transferred 150 million XOP for a cost of $1.50. $1.50. Wow. Wow, Stuart. Wow, interesting. Yeah. I'm like when I read articles like that have to do with Russia, Gary. Uh, I in the back of my mind, I'm always thinking like, okay, cool. Like, what do these other countries do now? Like, like, do they have a little bit of a vendetta against Bitcoin to drive the value down? Blah blah blah. It's just random thoughts. Are using crypto as a lifeline now that the currency has collapsed. Some ordinary Russians are using crypto as a lifeline now that the currency has collapsed. Oh wow. Okay. He said many of them likely oppose what their country is doing, and a ban would hurt them too. Okay, cool. Um, it's a 3 week high. Okay, cool. Interesting. Good morning, Robert. Good morning. Good morning. BTC, little bouncy bounce. Just rally already. Oi. Last week we didn't rally for another 3 hours from now too. So maybe later tonight. Maybe we go at night. We go at night at Bitcoin. Just don't break below 20, please. Not yet. Not yet. We need a rally before you sell off, please. Thank you. None of this rubbish. We're tired of your rubbish. Price of gold and silver is suppressed. It was no. Oh, I had a friend. As much as we talk about like gold and silver, I had a friend that invested in silver. Um, So like because he um I don't know what to call them, like a conspiracy theorist, but like he looks at all like everything that happens, and he's like, yeah, the market's gonna crash, we're going to war, blah 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 blah. And he held silver for years and years, and he was the most frustrated person I know. He absolutely hated that stuff, absolutely hated it, because there were not, like, there's no returns there when you're trying to make monies. You know what I mean? So no returns there at all. How's Apollo? You Apollo? Let me see. Apollo. Apollo Inu. Apollo Inu is down 11% today. Marlo. So a little bit of money's running away. Little bit, 11%. Apollo. Yeah, I have no, like, yeah, I don't know. I have no idea what Apollo Inu is. I just think it's a nice, it might be a nice like gamble for you, right? Nice gamble. Like a lot of these Inus are nice gambles here. Yeah, that thing hit a little bit of resistance there on the all-time chart. Yeah, it looks like it's turning around there a bit. So hopefully it doesn't give away all those gains. Bull market is back, baby. Come on. As soon as you say that, Stuart, we get two red candles. Two red candles. The bull market is back, baby. Come on. On the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, I don't know. No, we'll see again. Like it's all about just waiting for now and seeing, what news comes out over the weekend, over the next coming weeks, right? See what we do in terms of technicals. You just have to react to the technicals now. It seems like, and the news. Um, because there really isn't for the most part, when you look at the bigger picture, right, everything points to lower, right? So yeah, when you look at when you look at the bigger picture, right? So there's not a everything's still pointing for lower here for the market, even though we're getting a rally, right? We can have bear market rallies, and that's completely fine, right? So we always have bear market rallies. People still want to make monies in the bear market, right? So um, yeah, so we can still have these rallies, but again, everything's still pointing for lower. So we'll see what happens. Uh, yeah, and if we can find a way to break above, so let me pull up that 4 hour chart again, right? So 4 hour chart. So key few levels we're looking at here, right? So you can see that we have a little bit of support here at 20. Well, support at $20,000 if you want to call it that on the 4 hour here, right? Kind of at the bottom there as well. We also have a double top here on the 4 hour at 21.6, right? So we filled there on the 21st. Today's what, the 25th? Yeah. So we filled there on the 21st, and yeah, the 21st. Yep, right. And we are failing here as well now at that same level, 21.6. Kind of a double top there, right? So if we can find a way to break above that level and go for $22,000, that would be a really nice win. It would be nice. We would, feel accomplished for the weekend if we can find a way to break above that. If not, right? If we break below $20,000, and then okay, cool. Well, then we're looking for 17.5 again here. Um, right? First, please, thank you, Gary. 20K first. Gary really wants to go back and test that $20,000 level. I mean, it's been holding. Like we pushed that 2021.6, came back to $20,000 and held that level. This would have been a really good sign if we broke above that resistance, right? So, which is what we looked at last. If you guys remember, when we talked about this last weekend, right? So we talked about how if we can rally to $22,000, right, and come back and test $20,000 and hold that level and break above this high, that's a really bullish sign, right? So we did that, right? Again, so rally dipped to $20,000, but then we're failing at our previous resistance. So we're not quite confirming that. Okay, cool. We're holding these levels now support, right? We're not confirming that yet. So yeah, if we can break above this level here, that's a really bullish sign there, and then we can start to rally to the 23s and the 26s, and the I don't want to say $30,000 before we dip, right? So and then we get another dip, because we will, right? Um, yeah. So again, this is the importance of like dollar cost averaging, right? So let's see that the other one. Yeah, let me pull that up. Let me see if I can find it here. See all the big monies, right? These are steward monies. These are steward monies here. But anyways, what was I trying to say? Let me see. Let me see if I can find that chart, that site. Have it saved somewhere. Emails probably. See what those criminals are doing, right? See what they're doing. They're probably these are like Stewart and Marlowe orders here. Um, give it a second and then they should start showing up here, and then I'll pull it up. Nah, nah. I held up two post offices up. Need to get my fresh monies in. Oh no, Gary! Right away, straight to jail. I need to get my fresh monies in. Right away, straight to jail. If we want Bitcoin to go quick, we just have Elon. Yeah, we just have Elon saying it's going to 30 in the first 5 hours, and you'll be buying. Yeah, Robert, I know. So this side is for like so this is just like whale transaction sites. You can see what they're doing, right? They're the scalping, the in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. It doesn't seem slow there. Okay, there we go. Slow-ish. You can see why. You can also see that the candles are slow though. Like Bitcoin really isn't doing anything crazy, right? So that's fair then, right? We're not really going anywhere, right? So if you look at the 1 minute candle here for Bitcoin, yeah, it's not really doing anything either, right? So you can see how these orders are super slow. We're just gonna leave it up for a second and see where the monies are going and coming. Three every out in New York time high, Gary. Wow. Huh? Look at this, Gary. It's just business, right? Oh wow. Yep. It would also be a nice spot for you to hide and not pay attention to anything, Gary. So by the time you come back, you're like, yep, that was a nice little free vacation, and I'm rich. Don't need anything else, do you? Nope. That's funny. Truth. What's Kramer saying? And okay, cool. What is that? Does Binance send you like little tasks for like reward? Limited tasks? No. I'll miss you guys too, Gary. We'll miss you too. We'll miss you. Binance says complete once you receive. Oh, rubbish, man. Rubbish. Rubbish. Anyways, yeah, those transactions are a little bit slow now. A little bit slow, but that's crazy though, Hugh. That's impressive. That's impressive. Like I'll forever be impressed by this stuff. How like these transactions just go through, right? Like someone just sells $500,000 worth of Bitcoin. It's like, okay, cool. Where's that monies? Where's all these monies coming from? I know there's a lot of monies, but damn. Someone just casually sold $500,000 worth of Bitcoin. Can I be can I scalp it for you and get commission? 1%. Right? Someone just sells a lot more sell order than buy orders here. So that's interesting. You can see that we're mostly trending to the downside as well, right? So yeah, sell orders. Sell. Ooh, someone just bought a $500,000 worth. Um, someone just bought $500,000 worth of Bitcoin there. $500,000, probably again for scalp, right? Buy and sell. Okay, cool. There you go. Buy and sell it. Buy and sell it. No, Gary, we will miss you. We'll miss you too. Don't worry. I was describing your uh, in and outs. Blaze was describing your in life in prison, Gary. Gary, let us know if that's worth it. Jacob, let us know if that's worth it. Okay, I don't know what to tell you. Gary says, I want to go. I want to go hold up some post offices to buy some Bitcoin. I don't mind going to jail. For 3 years and then coming back and then Bitcoin be at all-time highs and then he's gonna be rich. Gary's gonna say, I'm a hustling dada. Is that Max Payne? Yes, it is, Gary. Yes, it is. I don't know. That's funny, Jacob. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. No, no. These transactions are slow today, Hume. Really slow. Usually they're flying through. Super, super slow. Is that Max Payne? As it's yeah, it has eyes and chalice. Okay, VVS have been treating you nice. Okay, nice. Yeah, very nice. I think we talked about VVS a few months ago. Months ago. Take one for the team. Yep. We'll see you in a few years, Gary. Let me take a look at Twitter. I want to see what the crazies are saying on Twitter, guys. I was always find it nice to I don't know. Let me pull up Twitter here. See what people are saying on the go to Twitter. There's some funny people on Twitter. There's still people calling for like $100,000, end of the year. So we'll see, and then we can come back to this here. Twitter. What is that? The largest non-exchange Bitcoin whale accumulated an additional 250 million this month. Wow, look at that. The largest non-exchange Bitcoin whale accumulated an additional 50 million BTC this month alone. Wow, 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 wow. Interesting. Huh, fire. 6 hours ago. Interesting. Oh yeah, the people accumulating. The people accumulating for with a long-term outlook. Yeah, people are gonna make monies. Whether that's from $20,000 or that's from $10,000, I don't know. But yeah, interesting. I don't know. At this pace, there won't be any Bitcoin on exchanges anymore in 2027. I don't know. Well, clearly shows the adoption and usage as a store value as is still growing. Okay, there you go. Yeah. It's the year 2030. Bitcoin crashed from a one. Oh, look at that. That's look at that. This is Gary's dream, guys. This is why Gary's going to jail, right? That person says. So that person says it's the year 2030. Bitcoin crashed from 1.8 million to $980,000. The media, Bitcoin is dead. The media, Bitcoin is dead. That's funny. It's just one. No double dipping. To choose between and oh, unbelievable. It's the year 2030. Bitcoin is above $1 million. Yeah, interesting. um so this person says, at first I was skeptical, but more and more I realized Bitcoin is the way forward. It's a unique combination of technology that empowers individuals and a way to resist oppression. Cool, cool, cool. We know that's true, right? So it's just there's another side to that though. I wanna, does that have a sound to it? Let me see.
This is the way to move forward because it's also I became chairman of Human Rights Foundation. Also, I became chairman of Human Rights Foundation following one of my late heroes, Václav Havel, was the first chairman of this organization. So then you can see how these two paths merged. So the interest in technology and my belief that freedom should be protected by every way possible, and technology played a key role in this. And I remember that my first introduction to Bitcoin was probably 2013, 2014 at one of the Oslo Freedom Forum. It's a signature event of Human Rights Foundation. And I have to say that first I was skeptical. But more and more, I just realized that this is the way to move forward, because it's a unique combination of technology that empowers individuals and our way to resist pressure, not only from governments like Putin's government or Xi Jinping or Iranian mullahs, but also the governments in democratic countries that accumulated so much power that they could easily threaten our savings and our freedom to make decisions or free decisions with our funds. So for me, again, it's the appearance on the stage is very natural progression of all the ideas that have been circulating in my head over the last few decades.
Interesting. Look at that's in 2011. Turn down the music here. The music will play. So in 2011, Bitcoin fell below $20. In 2015, Bitcoin fell below $200. In 2017, Bitcoin fell below $2,000. In 2022, Bitcoin fell below $20,000. Interesting. La, 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 la. Yeah, I just like browsing through Twitter sometimes. End of the month is looming large, which means BTC is very close to confirming the lowest ever monthly RSI value. Cool. RSI value for Bitcoin is in the abyss. Absolute abyss. 12 years ago. Then 20. Okay, cool. Yeah, BTC is still below that 200 MA. Yeah, it is. Interesting. Yeah, some of these are cool to look at. Anyways, Bitcoin is going for a little rally there. Look at these buy orders though. Look at that rally, right? Look at that rally for Bitcoin. You want to see what's happening on the order chain? Look at these buy orders. People are FOMOing. Look at that. I mean, like people are FOMOing hard. Someone bought almost $1 million worth there. Someone bought $600,000 worth of Bitcoin, right? People are FOMOing. They're FOMOing. They're pumping it. And we get a little bit of a sell order there come through as well now. So see if we start dipping here, right? But look at that. Look at that thrust candle. Look at that candle, and then look at all the buy orders that came through here, right? So yep, there you go. Almost in real time. You're gonna have to choose between that, yeah. Yeah. A little bit of FOMO there. Like, oh my goodness, this is why I think like it's filled. I think that this is why I think like that this stuff is filled with like bots. These guys all FOMO at the same time. Like one triggers the other, and then they all FOMO together. And then we rally. And then when we're selling off, it's like, oh my goodness, together all the bots. Like, oh no no no, I'm out of here first. Nope, I'm out of here first. No, I'm out of here first, right? So these are some fat boom boom candles. This indecisive are not my wallet. No, they're not. They're really not. It's just crypto is just very confused. Very confused. La 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 la. Just up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So I think the level that's gonna confirm up or down. Like if we break below 21, above 21.6, yeah, confirm up for you, Jason. If we break below 29 or 20,800 or 20,900, that confirms it to the downside, right? So those would be your like kind of your two levels to watch. Oh, look at this FOMO again, guys. Look at the FOMO. Look at the FOMO. Look at the FOMO. Look at the FOMO. Look at these candles, right? What thrusting. You can just look at these 1 second candles on here as well. But look at that FOMO. Radar is moving, Kirk. Okay. They rush in because the downtrend has ended. Bots, no, Robert. Not necessarily, right? If you take a look, like if you take a look at the daily chart there, or anything with a bigger time frame, you can see that we're not out of we haven't gone anywhere, right? So when you go from like from $70,000 to $20,000, it takes a little bit of a rally to like break out of the trend, right? So well, still slightly below, slightly below. My no, there you go. So, anyways, yeah, we're getting some big buy orders and we're thrusting a bit there. Come on, 1 second. As far as the low time frames, it's all supply and demand here. Yeah, per month. Good for trading, frustrating for investing. Yeah, honestly, Gary, I feel like as much as as much as I play with like little leverage positions, long and short, I'm ready to just say yep, bought the dip, over leverage the dip, whatever. Let's just pump. Like I'm ready for that, or like let's go the other way. Just something like it's annoying. I really don't like. I don't know if I don't really enjoy like the I don't enjoy the. I just want to hold it, and then just take a break. What site is this, Iron? This is called. So if you type in aggr.trade is what it is. Yeah. I can also post it in Discord too if you want me to. I can just post it in Discord. Yeah, so you can see it up here though, right? So aggr.trade. Are you long on BTC? No, nobody. But I'm long on the stuff that hopes BTC goes up though, right? So, Bonnie, long on all the stuff that requires it to go up. And thrust and what? And thrust. Come on, Jacob. La, la. Now we're going for little dipskis here. Yeah, so these 1 second candles on here will represent almost like every buy order or every buy and sell order you see. But then when we take a look at like actual charts, it takes a little bit longer, right? We're still going lower, right? So if you take a look on average here, we have more sell orders now than buy orders in the last well, however long this is, right? More sell orders than buy orders. You can see how we're going lower, right? So uh come on, four more green orders. Let's go. Look how quickly that pump vanished into thin air. Yeah, exactly. Like honestly, right? Just like that. These are just scalps. These guys are just scalping it. In and out, in and out. Oh, I bought a $500,000 worth, Stewart. Okay, cool. It rallied. Okay, cool. I'm up one. Up thousands of dollars. Okay, it's time to sell it now. Time to get rid of it. Yeah, grid balls are for whales. Yeah, exactly, Gary. We need one of these. We need one of these for hot trades. You know, we need the hot trades fund, uh, so we can compete. Come on, buy, sell. Anyways, yeah. No, the Doge is fun to look at. Honestly, there's nothing we can do with this. In and out. That's what she said. That's what she said. No, that's what Jacob says. Gary will experience. Um, you know, in the good old jail. Come on. Let's get some buys coming in now. Let's go for a little rally here. You maniacs, you maniacs. Yeah. No, these are fun to look at. Honestly, there's nothing we can do with it. Like, what are you gonna do with this with these big orders? Like, what are you gonna do with them, right? So just watch them, right? Because they change so much, like very quickly. You're watching them, you're like, okay, cool, we're pumping, but so it's they I'm sure these orders to these bots will play around with the technicals. Like they're gonna fail at the 9-day moving average, at the 50, or at the 200, right? So fail at the double top, right? So they're paying attention to all those things, even though they're very active. They're still paying attention to all of that, right? So look at that $180,000 order. That's all it did. A little bit of a pump, right? That's it. It's a pump. It's already a 4 days crypto is pumping. Bull market within a bear market is over. I guess now it's time to go down. Yeah, again, like what I'm looking for here, to say, yeah, we're gonna go down. So if I pull up the chart again, right? Let me see if I can pull up like the hourly, maybe see if we can get any detail out of that. So this is the hourly. Is that 20? No, that's too much data there. So, anyways, we do have a double top on the hourly, right? That's at that 21.6 level, right? So we know there's resistance there. If we can break above that level, okay, cool. We're ready to rally. We're ready to push a 22 and potentially beyond, right? So that level is big. If we fail to break above that level, that 21.6, by the time the weekend is over, I think pack for your bags. If I take a look at like the 15 though, I just want to see what's happening here. Yeah, that 21.8 level held really nicely there. 21.8, yeah, 21.8. 21.8 for supports, and then obviously 21.6 there. Interesting. Oh my goodness, guys! Someone just sold. We just went to the abyss. Look at that candle. That candle just went to the went off the screen to the downside. Why? Because someone just sold $2.3 million worth of Bitcoin. Someone said, "Yeah, guys, yeah, I've been accumulating. Thank you for buying, but I'm out of here." Someone sold $2.3 million worth of Bitcoin. Just like that. 107.911 Bitcoin. Just like that. Like gone. Scalpers making those monies. Yeah, they're making monies. All the monies. That's incredible. That's incredible. Wow. As you wow. I wonder if these are like firms with like bots like that. You know, these are firms with like billions of dollars that allocate like a certain percentage to scalping, maybe, right? I wonder if that's the reason. I wonder if that's what it is. Because I mean, that candle disappeared off the screen quick. It said, "Yeah, I'll see you guys on the downside. See you later." $2.3 million worth of Bitcoin sold. Wow, interesting. Stepped up from post office to Federal Reserve. Yep, Gary. Yep. Wow. To the Federal Reserve. That's incredible. Interesting. That's incredible. Yeah, that's Marlo probably. Marlo's playing with us. Oh, someone got liquidated. Oh my goodness, we're crashing. Someone got liquidated. Wow. Someone just got liquidated. How sad. What a story. These are always fun to look at. Someone got liquidated, guys. $366,000 liquidated. Like, thank you for coming. Your money is grass now. Your money is grass. Wow. Well, they're like, your account is zero. Thank you for coming to the casino today, but your money's gone. Gone. Unbelievable. Wow. You think about like getting liquidated, like your $200 getting liquidated. Someone is crying like a baby tonight. You think about like your $200 getting liquidated. That feels bad, you know. Someone gets liquidated to $366,000. It's like, yeah, you were long. The market dipped. We said bye bye, right? Wow. Well, that's the price of playing the game, I guess. Scary. That's a house, Gary. That's madness. That's madness. Like just like that, poof, gone. You kidding me? You kidding? You kidding? Oi! Wow, that's impressive. How much money's people play with here? What a bum! What a bum! Happens to the best of us. Risk it for the goddamn biscuit. Yeah, yeah. They were long, and then we had a massive dip, and then market said bye. If you have that amount of money, though, why are you so aggressive? Honestly, but that's probably chicken change to them, though. Probably chicken change. I'm sure they've made a is a good car. Is a good car. What do you mean a good car, Robert? I mean, what do you mean a good car? $20,000 is a good car. Hundreds, a good car. You want to start getting to levels like that? Uh, yeah, no, I know what you mean. And now look at that. Liquidate them and then rally back up. Right? Look at that. We're going right back up. They're crying. No, it's probably chicken change to whoever that person is. Look at that. Look at that rally, guys. Because someone just bought $666,000 worth of Bitcoin. Look at that rally, right? Right back to new highs. Someone bought 666,000. Someone bought 500,000, and then someone sold $143,000. So they're playing this game very quickly, very quickly, right? So monies. We're just watching monies, guys. We're watching monies. That's what we're doing here now. Watching monies in and out, in and out. La, 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 la. Huh, interesting. Is a good down for 1.5? Yeah. Just buy. Yeah, Robert. I know. Yeah. Now, whoever does that though, Bonnie, this is nuts. Yeah, whoever does that though probably has more than that. Has more than that. They probably live in more than a 1 point. Yeah, you know, Bonnie. So mm-mm. If they're gonna be that aggressive on a leverage play, you bet. Look at that pump. Look at that pump. Look at all these buy orders coming through. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Someone bought $1.3 million. Look at that rally, guys. Someone bought $1.3 million. Someone else bought $1.2 million. Right. So look at that pump on the 1 second candle. Oh wow! Look at these come through now, guys. Look at the FOMO. We are pumping. Look at the FOMO. Look at the FOMO. Wow. Look at the FOMO. And look at these sell orders come through now. And now we're going the opposite way. Um, you want to see that candle on the 1 minute? Look at that candle, guys. Look at the candle. Wow, 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 wow. These are monies. You're watching monies. You're watching monies. Monies. You're watching monies. Wow, 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 wow. These things are going crazy now. Like these bots are going crazy now. Monies, AK. These are monies. Look at the candle. Look at that. Again, that's a 1 second candle there. This is a 1 minute. It's also thrusting, right? Let's go. You silly goose. Cheese and rice. Look at that. Now we're getting some sell orders coming in here now. You wanna do the math on the amount of money that's been like in the last minute. You wanna do the math on the amount of money that's been transacted. Um, you know, you wanna do the math. You just give up. Just give up. Wow. No. Someone just sold $1.4 million. 1.4. Someone else sold $700,000 worth of Bitcoin, right? So, Rob Jason says, "Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god." Yep, big monies. Going to zero. Back up China. Back up China. We're not going to zero. The whale said no, no, no. No, no, no. Don't worry. These guys gonna start selling again in the next second here, and then we're gonna go back right to zero. Back to the abyss we go. Going to zero. Come on now. Let's just go. Let's just break about 20, 21, 6 already. Anyways, it's a nice little rally. Come on, more, 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 more. Come on. We're here to thrust. I want to watch that side in the bull market. I know, Gary. Watch this. When we're pumping to 20, going for like a few $1,000 runs. Imagine watching these orders come through. Like, imagine watching this. It's just straight up pump, 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 pump. Some very fast green candles, Gary. Yep. Yep. Yeah, too bad, too bad. This is just for fun, though. Like, what are we gonna do with these? What can we do? Just fun to watch, and it's fun to like watch them and like have them be represented on the chart as well, like right away, right? You see an order come through, it's like right away reflected. So, that's cool to see, right? Other than that, what do we do with it? I don't know. Because if you see one and you try and follow, the next one is a big sell one. Um, Take years for new all-time highs. So all-time high today, all-time high today, Iron. Guy, he's always wrong. He's always wrong, Iron. Okay. Yeah. All-time highs. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about all-time highs. I don't know. I think things need to change for me. Like for me to talk about all-time highs, I think we need to see changes in the economy. Like the war needs to be over, and there are a few things that need to change, right? So um, here we go again. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Someone just sold $900,000 worth of Bitcoin. I bet you one of those massive, massive orders that came in earlier. Come on, more, 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 more. This is fun. This is fun to watch. Oh, just let it go. Let it go. Just let it go. Nope. Nope. Come on. Na 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 na. Bitcoin is at $21,221. Interesting. Reacting to this, 100% bots. Yeah, I know exactly. Honestly, Gary, I think it's all bots. This has to be bots, right? They have them set to they have them set to some levels. I think that's why when you have a massive buy order, or like you have one of these, like you have these candles break above a key level, you have a whole bunch of them coming together. I mean, look how you get a whole bunch of sell candles together here, right? I think like something triggers them. They're almost all set to like the same like type of setting, and they're all pumping and dumping together, right? So pump together, dump together, right? So maybe have a few changes here because someone tries to be smarter than everybody else. But yeah, a group chat or something. Yeah, they probably have a group chat. Oh, look at that! Someone just sold 2.1 million dollars. $2.1 million sold, and where are we going? Right back down. Right back down. Is it funny that Binance always has like the biggest, the biggest orders here? Binance. I think people just use Binance, but yeah, a lot more people just use it. They're all in the group chat saying, yeah, I'm going in. You want to come in? You want to join the party? I'm going in. Come join us." Look at that. Someone just sold with $1.3 million as well there, right? Buy together, sell together. We go to the abyss. Oh, here we go. Someone just bought $1.1 million. Nah, 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 nah. Oh. I wonder if we can play with the settings here. So these are 1 second, yeah, 1 second candles. Okay, I'll leave it there. I think it's more fun to watch the 1 second chart. Bitcoin is also below, with all those sell orders there, Bitcoin is also below 21 200. So come on, we want to see more to the upside, please. To the upside. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash the like. Hit that subscribe if you're new. Yeah, just smash the like. Can you load up the bridge version, please? Can you load up the bridge version, please? Can you load up the bridge, Gary? I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Nah, nah, nah. The bridge version. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Is there another site that we can see smaller transactions though? I don't think so, Gary. I wish there was. I wish there was. $5 trades. $5 trades. $5 Bitcoin transactions. You see a lot of liquidations, Gary. Oh, my $5 has been liquidated. Oh, your $10 is gone. Bye bye. Off the table. Yeah, I wonder if there's another site that shows you smaller trades. Smaller transactions here. Nah, nah, nah. $5 trades. Yeah, let's say I don't know. Let's hang for another. Like, just honestly, just wanted to come on and watch, um, the chart for a bit and talk about like sentiment around crypto for now, and then we can take a break and hang out in Discord, right? So, yeah. Who said it's going to zero? Julian, China does. China says we're going to zero. We are heading to zero. Um, right. Yeah. So this is the reasoning for saying that, right? So Bitcoin is nothing more than a string of notes, a code, right? So it returns mainly from buying low and selling high, right? So again, that's according to yeah. So they're also saying in the future, once investors' confidence collapses or sovereign countries declare Bitcoin illegal, it will return to its original value, which is utterly worthless. Uh, there you go. Do I think this has any merit? Do you think do you think most of these transactions that we see come from where? Like they come from let's just say most of these transactions will come from the states, right? So majority of these big like crypto holdings are in the states, right? So um you do we think they're gonna ban Bitcoin? Yeah, that's not gonna happen, is it? Nah. So it's a zero. Mm, that's a different story, right? So yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. A good day of five. Yeah, gets enough on on scandal. Gary. Yep. I beg. True. I beg. Crash this thing. So bad. No, absolutely not. We're here watching. People. This is crazy. It's crazy. Yeah. Watching people get liquidated and whatnot. So bad. Doesn't China have an incentive to fund BTC for their own? Yeah, Erica, they do. They do, and that's why we say, when an article comes out today, you almost want to like kind of decipher that with and like kind of like understand what the reasoning behind that is, because more there usually is an ulterior motive behind that, right? So yeah, just want to understand where they're coming from. Anyways. I hate me if you want. I'll be smiling if we go to zero. Iron says I'll be smiling if Bitcoin goes to zero. Wow, 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 Iron. Wow, wow, wow. So will a bunch of other people that are short. But yeah, we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Again, so what we've kind of looked at, right, is that in terms of technicals here, we've been struggling with that 21.6 level, right? on the bigger time frames. If you look at the 4 hour and stuff like that, if we can find a way to get above 21.6, $22,000, and then we're ready for more of a rally, right? So hopefully that comes before the weekend is over. If not, well, that's a problem, right? So if we break below 2020, like 2020, 2900, 2800, we're probably done. We're headed to the we're headed to the bridge, right? We're headed we're headed to at the very minimum to test that previous low at 17.5, right? So that's if we break below like that 20,800 or $20,000. If we break below $20,000, yeah, that just confirms it. We're headed right back down to 17 something. And if we break below that level, okay, cool. Well, no double bottoms. Well, pack your bags. Head to the fourth. What is the third main bridge? Toba in Nigeria. Head for the bridge, because yeah. So a few things to look at for now, right? In terms of technicals, so a few levels to watch there. Anyways, we're just watching these things here for fun, right? See what the reaction is here with these candles. See some of these whales. Toba's friends. Na, 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 na. Um, yeah, Ian, why would you be happy if we went to zero? Why? Why, Ian? Why? Um, it's far to mid out, Julian. No, I think when they say heading to zero, Bitcoin isn't heading to zero. I think we all know that. I think it's more of a, like it grabs your attention, right? It's more of like, okay, cool, heading to zero. It's worthless. I mean, there are a lot of things that are worthless that should be worthless. That value is really what we yeah, what we perceive. So Bitcoin is not heading to zero. We say zero all the time because it's just fun to say, right? So zero just means lower. Um, yeah, there you go. Anyways, we're back above 2021, 21 2 here. I'll short it all the way down. Yeah, yeah. I'm just kidding around, but I really would not be mad if I like shorting it. Okay, there you go. These are shorts, Stuart. People are shorting, and they're very yeah. No, people like no one really believes we're going to zero. At zero, we all get free Bitcoin, but I won't sell, so it's impossible, Gary. Yeah, yeah. Don't think anyone believes we're going to zero. It's just yeah, when people say we're going to zero, someone just bought 1.2. Someone else just got liquidated, guys. $116,000. That's Toba. Someone was short. Someone shorted Bitcoin. Someone shorted Bitcoin, and they just got liquidated. Uh, Long into yeah, someone was short, and all these buy orders came through. We pumped, and they're headed for the bridge now. Back your backs. Look at that. I mean, it's only $100,000. Only we say only because like compare that to like every other order on here. That's like one of the smaller ones, right? Enjoy getting liquidated, boys. Enjoy getting liquidated. Yeah. Someone just got sent to the bridge. Yep. So, but that's one of your accounts. Liquidation. La, la. Are you long? Yeah. Yeah. I think for the most part though, most people are like long in their long positions, and then they play around with like leverage short positions as well. Leverage short positions while like having while having long positions or leverage short. Crazy money, yeah, exactly, Gary, exactly. I mean, like if you're getting liquidated here, you probably shorted this thing at they probably shorted this thing with a really tight like leverage, right? So they're sitting in like millions of leveraged money, right? So they probably shorted this thing and they were like, oh nope, 100x leverage, savage, yep, like really aggressive leverage, and they're like, yeah, uh, taxi for one. Yeah, they're like, yeah, we're not gonna break. Well, I'm gonna short it at $20,000 because I think we're going down to $10,000, right? We're gonna fill at $20,000. We're going back to $10,000, and yep, I'm short. And then we start rallying. Um, hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But that's the thing too, though. When Bitcoin shows a lot of weakness and then it goes for this like a rally like this, you see a lot of liquidations, right? Because people watch and they're like, well, weak. Bitcoin has been weak like all day today, honestly, really weak, right? So they're watching, they're like, uh, 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 and then all of a sudden they're like, I'm gonna short this, and then we go for a crazy rally like that, and then they get liquidated. So, yeah, 21.4, 21.6, Stewart, yeah, 21.4, 21.6. Let me pull up that chart again here, Stuart. So if we take a look at like the 15, I know there's a level somewhere here. So yeah, yeah, we've struggled at both of those levels, Stuart. Right, like this is 21.4 here, right? Like right here, Stuart. Um, yep, right. So that's 21.4 right here. That's 21.4 exactly, right? Struggle bus, right? Same level again, around that same range, around that same like between 21.4 and 21.6 there. There seems to be a lot of struggling here, right? So, but then also you look at the bottom as well. Like we're finding some nice little support above, like again around 20,800, right? So 20, like right there, right there, right there, and we're bouncing off around the same range again here, right? So and rallying back to the upside. So we're like in a really tight range here between 21.8, 21.9, and 21.4, and like 20,800, right? To 21.4, 21.6. So if we break above that 21.6, I think we're ready for more. If we break below that 20,009, 20,008, then we're ready to actually start going to the bridge, right? So yeah. So Warning to Gary, both long. Gary, warning to Gary. Uh-oh. I'm watching the chart. Yeah, they do is taking yeah, no, honesty, Stuart. Honestly, yeah. It's time me out today. Oh yeah. Uh, la, la, la. Alrighty. Yeah, let's hang for another like 10 minutes and see where we are, right? Another 10 minutes, and then we can hop off and yeah, just go on with the day and yeah, go from there. And go from there. Hopefully we keep rallying today. Hopefully we keep rallying today. We'll see. Again, we'll just watch those levels, right? Two levels to watch, and then go from there. La, la, la. Yeah, it's not fun to get liquidated here, so I bet you yeah, bet you these shorts are la, 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 la. Gary, you're in trouble. In trouble. Look at these orders here. Crypto streamer neglect. Just kidding. 10 minutes. Crypto streamer. Hey, yo, Ruth. Ruth, where have you been? Where have you been, Ruth? Hi. Good to see you. Good to see you, Ruth. Um, good to see you. Neglected. Gary, there's nothing happening, There's nothing happening. We wanted to pump. We wanted to thrust. We want some craziness to happen. So it better happen in the next 7 minutes. The next 7 minutes. And then we can stay on, you know? Uh, it's fun to watch when there's something actually happen because we're just in the same range. Unbelievable. Yeah, good to see you, Ruth. Good to see ya. Money's ready to go. You want a double bottom? Yeah, you do, Stuart. Yeah, I think Gary's waiting for the same thing too. Look at this rubbish. You guys wanted to go down. Unbelievable. Don't worry. If we break below 21, 21.9, probably going down to that level. You guys all want a double bottom at 17.5. I'm ready for the rally. I'm ready for the rally. No more bottoms. But yeah, no, I completely I agree with you guys. I've been working my butt off. Uh, Working on non-stop. Love it though. Okay, great to see you too. Let's go, Ruth. Yeah, nice. Um, so you guys are all waiting for this. Let me pull up the hourly here and see what it looks like. Actually, yeah, I'll just do the hourly. So you guys are all waiting for. That might take a few. I'm just gonna do the 4 hour here. Right. So again, obviously we have resistance at that spot there, which we're struggling at, right? And then you guys are all waiting. All you criminals are waiting for this level here. That's what you're waiting for. You guys want to see this? You guys want to see a bottom here, rally, and then do an M. You guys want to see an M? That's what you want to see, isn't it? You guys want to see the M for monies. Um, Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It just feels very weak. We're hard to making a. Hey, honestly, Erica, looks it's very weak. Like it's very weak. Criminals, criminals, Ruth. These guys are criminals. They're asking for more crypto dips here. These retest $20,000, Erica. I know it's because you're short. But anyways, yeah, I would not be surprised to see that happen, right? So, 17.5 ish, 17.6, right? Double bottom. So I can save my short. I know. I want a slice of that in your life. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for a double bottom if he wants to. You know. Oh well. Yeah, no, crypto looks very weak. Like very, very weak. As much as we're happy that we're getting some nice little green candles here, this is very weak. Like really, really weak. If you ask me which direction we were going to, I would say down. But yeah, so, but if for some reason that we break above this level at 20, that double top at 21,600 dollars, right? Around that level there, yeah, we're breaking out of that M there, right? We're ready to thrust it. So if we can do that, that would be amazing. If not, well, cool. Let's see if we can hold $20,000. If not, well, then now you're looking for this double bottom here, 17.5, right? So, yeah, double bottom for the S&P. We want the easy monies. We want the easy monies, yeah, criminals. La, 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 la. Easy monies. I did take out some long scalps last night to hedge your bets though. You did, Erica? Nice, okay. Erica, when are you joining us in Discord is the question. When are you joining us in Discord? In Discord. When? For these short positions so we can talk about shorts and leverage shorts and with Iron and all the other criminals. Jason needs to yeah. I don't know why yours isn't working, Jason. Need to find a way to fix that. You should, yeah, you should. You should. Let us know when you're leverage shorting and longing, so we can. You and Jason are gonna be shorting up and down. Anyways, so here's. I'm gonna post a link here. There's a link to join us in Discord. San is doing good today. Yeah, San broke about that resistance at a dollar there and they had a nice little rally. Yeah, like if you take a look at the crypto bubbles here too, like Sandbox is look at Sandbox. Like, look at these metaverse plays now, right? Wow. I mean, Sandbox is just thrusting. Mana is also performing well. FTM is a nice green bubble there. Gala, nice green bubble. ENJ metaverse, right? So, LTC. Oh, there's some nice green bubbles here. GMT. Yep. There's some nice green bubbles here. So these are the ones that are performing well in the top 100, right? So not bad at all. Wow, 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 wow. Get on Discord bandwagon, yeah. Yeah. Come join us, Eric. I think yeah, and also waiting for Bonnie. When's Bonnie gonna join us in Discord? When? Bonnie. When? When? Um. No. Four. One second. One second. Uh. uh Let's see. Ooh, la. One second. Let's see here. You got into Sand early this AM. You did? Wow. You got into Sandbox? Nice. Congrats. Good job. Wow. 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 Good job. Good job. Uh, Shift 4. Ooh, recent. Just editing some rubbish here. There we go. Yeah, you need to. You might need to. You might need to move on to like Jason. You might need to move on to like a sandbox or something, or like yeah. You might need to move on to like if you're feeling like you want to short, you might need to move to like to shorting some of these like some of these ones that are running aggressively. If you think we're gonna go down, right? So Shiba is actually doing, yeah. Shiba is up 6% almost there. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, yeah. Shiba not bad at all. Look at that. 1 inch is lost 5.5%. Where's Noir? 1 inch. Unbelievable. 5.5%. Surprised Matic isn't on this list. I think it's because Matic had its rally already here. No, 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 no. Anyways, let me get rid of this Bitcoin scary M here, right? So scary M. Anyways, yeah, we're double topping down the 1 minute as well for BTC, right? So yeah, it just seems so weak. Like no, we can't even sustain a rally. Can't sustain anything. BTC, come on. Can't afford to be losing those percentages. Nope, Stuart. Nope, absolutely not. Anyways, guys, let me know if you anything else you want to look at for the last minute or so here. Um, Let me know if you have any last questions, anything you want to talk about, any what what are you guys up to on the Saturday morning, afternoon, evening, for most of you guys. Yeah, and then we can hop off and go enjoy the day because there's more to than crypto volatility, I guess. No, there's not, is there? Hmm. We're still gonna be watching the damn charts all day long, but yeah, we're dipping. Nah, nah, nah. Look at the bloods on the on the chain here. Look at that. All of that selling. Big red candle. Big red candles. What are you guys up to for the rest of the day? Just relaxing? Or you Jason is watching crypto, Stuart has some work to do. Gary is trying to stay out of jail. Crypto volatility is life. Yep. Someone just sold $2 million of the Bitcoin. Wow. Um, Ruth is working. Erica is busy watching that short position. Iron is ready for the abyss. Um, ready for the abyss. So Jacob is waiting for when Gary will be evening for you, way. Okay, nice. Well, have a wonderful evening. I'm watching the crypto stream for the rest of the day. The crypto stream for the rest of the day. Which one, Gary? Which one? I'm watching the crypto stream for the rest of the day. uh, Gary, if we were breaking above, we could stay all day long. If we were breaking above some key levels, Like we're just playing the same game over and over and over and over. We can come back on repeats, on repeat. We can come back if we're breaking above like a 21.6, $22,000, because that's exciting. We can come back. I promise. Um, but like now we're just not really going anywhere. Your daughter to bed, and then probably are gonna have a couple of beers and watch the markets for another couple of hours. Where okay, nice, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, no. Hopefully we get a sense of sense of direction. If you have been watching, exactly, honestly, right? Erica says, yeah, I've been watching this zone since Thursday night. Like it's just been the same area over and over and over, just between those two levels, right? So whichever direction we break out from, below or above, that should give you a, that should kind of give you confidence. If you're short, if we break below, okay, cool, confidence. If we break above the top there, 21.6, yeah. If you're long, you're happy, right? So other than that, we're just waiting. I'm only joking. I've do some laundry and shopping. Yeah, I know. I have to do laundry. I do have to do laundry. And eat and maybe some exercise if I yeah, some shopping. Yeah. Supreme said, I hope Bitcoin goes to $500. If Bitcoin goes to $500, imagine the chaos. Like imagine the chaos. $500. Imagine the chaos in all of these hedge funds, all of these banks, all of these. What does El Salvador do? Like what will these guys do? El Salvador. I'm sure they're gonna sacrifice their president, but like, $500. Never say never. Don't think that happens. But I will not be the one to say never. Imagine my monies. Imagine my monies. Erica says if I short it and it goes to $500. Imagine my monies. Imagine shorting all the way down. Wow! Look at the people, guys. They're excited. Excited. The British life is official. Yep. Stuart. Yep. 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 Oi. Bitcoin breaks below $20,000 again. I think people start panicking, and that 17 level comes even quicker than we think it will, right? So panic, panic, panic. You can barely get a rally going, so it needs to happen this weekend. Something needs to happen this weekend for crypto. Something needs to happen. If it doesn't go this weekend, I don't know what it's waiting for because I didn't want to rally with the market on Friday, so I has to do it this weekend. Crack Life is official. BTC below 5K. Crack Life is official. Would fold before you get paid out. Sorry. Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's a really good point. If Bitcoin crashes, you need to almost take your money out incrementally every time we go lower and run. Because these exchanges will struggle to give your money back. They're gonna be like, sorry, we're out of business. Yep. If Bitcoin goes, you better start taking monies out at 12, 10, 5. You better start taking monies out. We're already seeing exchanges talk about like, yeah, we're halting transactions for now. Sorry. Yeah. Raise my stop loss to keep my short open when Matic pumped. Again, now just a little above entry. Looks like it's about to get it's stopped out now for Matic. Yeah, Matic is a crazy, crazy one. Like Matic is crazy. Shorting Matic is Matic is a crazy one to short because I think will recover like no tomorrow. Yeah. Nah, nah, nah. Like I thought they would own the coin. I mean, like Erica, like think about like how many exchanges are already halting like transactions though, right? Um, you know what I mean? So nothing crazy as well. I guess we've sold off 70%, but like a lot of these exchanges are already talking about like we need to due to technical issues, we're not fulfilling transact. We're not giving monies out. Look at that. 1.1 wow, $1.2 million worth of Bitcoin sold, $700,000 sold, 600,000, half a million, 400,000. People are like, wow, look at that. To the abyss we go. Not stopped out yet? Okay. There you go. This little sell-off should help you out a bit with your position. Right on the edge? Yeah, this little sell-off should help you out there. Yeah, this is why. Like we're just no, like we're just up and down, up and down, up and down. Not really going anywhere constructive. Not doing anything at all. Nothing. Nothing at all, which is annoying. We want to celebrate a crash or a pump, but nope, not just in the middle. Just went on a crazy hiring spree, firing spree. Yeah, employees took, and then sorry, we're not hiring anymore. Yep, yeah. Coinbase struggling. Celsius, what is it? Assets being bought by who? Goldman Sachs, or JP Morgan, one of those two. Is dropping now. Got a bit of a safety margin. Yeah, no, this sell off here for Bitcoin should look at this. I mean, like, look at that block of red everywhere, right? So, yeah. Oh well. Hopefully you don't get stopped out. Um, Hopefully you don't get stopped out there. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's it. Is that it? More. Anyways, don't forget to smash like, guys. Smash like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, you should come join us in Discord. Yeah, come join us in Discord so we can talk about long and shorts. Yeah. So again, I'm gonna post the link one more time here to join us. Right. So, or you can just, if we're not streaming, you can just click join on the channel and then send me an email. Email at the top of your screen here, hottradesx@gmail, and I'll send you an invite. So, yeah, join us. And stick with it, please. Just pick a direction and stick with it. Virus and what? And Thrust. There he is. Come on. And Thrust. How are you, Virus? How's your weekend? How's the Saturday? Been actively increasing their employee number. Yep, Stuart. Okay. Let's go. Please and thank you. Please and thank you, Ruth. Please and thank you. It's the Thrust Master. And Thrust. And Thrust. And Thrust. Come on, Stewards. Come on, Virus. You know what? Let's do a little bit of thrusting. Just one more time, right? Just one time today. So where's Spotify? Spotify. First for one time for a little bit of thrusting. Guys, ready? A little bit of thrusting. If that song would play. Play the music. Oh yeah, it's time, guys. To the and thrust. To the let's thrust. Come on. Get naked. Take the and thrust. Take the shirts off. Take the rope off. It's time. You trading la 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 la. Latosha, did someone say thrust? Did someone say thrust? To the left and thrust. To the right and thrust. Big money. Come on. Go, go. Go, go. Let the beat drop. Eye contact, please and thank you, with confidence. It's Saturday. It's the weekend. It's time to do a little bit of Zumba, you know? To the and thrust. To the window. To the wall. And what? Prison music. Come on, Gary. Let's go. Did someone say naked? Yeah. You know, hello, Ruth. Take the clothes off. Why? Because you're about to be dripping some sweat. So take the clothes off and get in position, please and thank you. You know, one hand on the ground, the other hand behind your hip, behind the neck, behind the head, and what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Let's turn into German Escobar. We turn into thrusting animals. To the left. And thrust. To the right. And slide. To the left. And slide. To the right. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Come on now. Go, go. Go, go. We need to make money. We also need to exercise. There you go. A little bit of thrusting. Thank you very much. Thank you, Spider Man, for this is that's German Escobar there. This is that's German. Anyways, guys, just a little bit of fun. Unbelievable. Yeah, 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 yeah. There you go. Yeah, there you go. No, anyways, yeah, no, Bitcoin is still in range here. Um, if we take a look at this crypto bubbles, it seems like most of these metaverse plays are leading the way now, which is nice. Good to see, right? Dogecoin is up slightly. Is Doge up a bit? Yeah, Shiba is up as well there. Yeah, so a few names to watch if you're scalping, right? So a few things to watch there. And then, yeah, anyways. We talked about Bitcoin enough today, kind of what we're looking for. Can I pull my pants on? Yes, you can. Oh, one more time. You can pull your pants on. Stuart. Yeah. Yeah, you can pull your pants back on. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. You know, we enjoy that, German. Yeah, a little bit of fun while we watch some static crypto. Only one hot rates, only one virus, only one. If you ain't naked, you're not thrusting properly. Stuart, we thrust again tomorrow. Do we thrust tomorrow? Oh, look at that, look at that. Go, 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 go. That's it. No, I will forever be amazed by the amount of money that's coming through here, right? So someone just buys like $1 million worth of Bitcoin, someone just sells $1 million. That's impressive, right? And then you can see the candles react right away to the buy or sell. Oh, a whole different level. Let's go, Dersey. Let's go. Let's go. For Miss some new moves. Oh no, Stuart. Oh no, Stuart has been gone, but he's been practicing virus. Practicing. Farm to the moon. To the moon. Oh yeah, come on now. Yeah, we're getting some buy orders come through here now. Let's a bit of green. Come on, rally, 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 rally. Let's go. And I saw the channel just talking nonsense, getting thousands of views. Like, yeah, you did, Bonnie. I wonder how such a doesn't get that many views. And talking nonsense, getting thousands of views, likes, and subscribers. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, Bonnie. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I don't know. Don't worry. We'll break out of that little barrier once, sometime. We will. We will. If I join at the end of the month. Erica, no. Charge you twice? Why would it charge? No, like it's like a it's like a monthly thing, right? So it's like the regular cycle, right? So if you sign up on the 25th and then the next 25th, right? So that's what it would be. Do we really want BTC to rally or to continue to fall so we can buy more? So German, what we are kind of looking for here, right? If you pull up the chart here and take a look at the 4 hour, so what we've talked about here today is so this is the 4 hour, right? So this is what we're looking for here, right? So for now we have a double top at 21.6, right? So if we can find a way to break above the 21.6 level, then we're ready to rally. But I think for the most part, though, most people in the chat and in the chat here are waiting for this M to play out, for this double bottom to play out, right? So again, bottom at 17.5, rally, fail at resistance, hold $20,000, rally again and fail at that level. So most people are waiting for this thing to come back and hold that level, right? 17.5, double bottom and start bouncing for an entry, right? So I think that's what most people are waiting for. But if we break above this double top here at 21.6, we might be ready for a rally. Might be ready for some thrusting action all night long, right? So we'll see, right? So again, there's support, there's resistance here at 21.6. Um, Forget about that other level for now. So $20,000, right? Be the next major level here on the 4 hour, and then 17.6 is 17.5, right? So uh, yeah, with a few nut jobs. Yeah, Erica, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, German? What are you waiting for? Come join us. So come join us in Discord. And again, Erica, if you join after just checking, because it charges you at the beginning of every month. Oh no, it doesn't do that. It doesn't do that, Erica. It doesn't do that. Erica says, I'm working on it. Okay, Erica is we're waiting for Erica then to join us. And then we're waiting for German to join us. We're waiting for Dersey to join us. We're waiting for Ruth to join us. We're waiting for all the non-members to join us. Supreme, everybody. Come join us in Discord. Would be welcomed. One nut job would be welcomed. There you go. No, we'll see. We shall see what we do for the rest of the night. Yeah. I just really think like this weekend is important, super important for crypto. If we don't rally this weekend, and then we have some problems. Some problems. Ruth, okay, there we go. Ruth says I will. Yeah, make sure you sign up for the Discord level. We thrive under the craziness. We do. We do. We really do. So yeah, let's more action. More action. And yeah. So yeah, just click on the link from Nightbot here, and then make sure you sign up for Discord for the Discord level. It's gonna give you multiple options, right? Discord or higher, and then come join us. And yeah, we can talk rubbish all weekend long. Where's the Discord? So Discord is just like would be like it's just a community, right? That's where we hang out when we are not on here. Is where we hang out. As we Gary talks about going to jail. Just kidding. Anyways, you just have to once you become a member, you get the link to join Discord. Where, right? So yeah, click on this link here from Nightbot. Click on that membership link at the bottom, or just click on join beside your. If you click on the money sign beside your live chat there, click on the join button. It will give you the join option, and then click on that. Anyways, yeah, we're rallying here a little bit. Come on now, ready? Let's go. Go, 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 ready. One of these days sounds good, Jersey. Sounds good. No, it's fun having you. Yeah, it's fun having all of you guys, right? In the chat, always, 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 always. Let's go. Let's go, Stuart and Virus. I like how you guys' names are yeah highly yeah. Virus says Discord is the best investment I can make, guaranteed. Best investment. No, 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 no. Come on, BTC. Let's go already here. The dot 185. Why are we still delayed on here? Okay, there we go. We're catching up now. Catching up. Yeah, let's give it 7 more minutes. Gary, see what you've done? 7 more minutes. While we wait for Erica and everybody else to join us, we can wait. And then yeah, 7 more minutes, then we can hop off. Discords too, not all caps. I thought it was your best. I thought I was your best investment. No, 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 no. There you go. No. taking some time to sort it out. That's okay, Erica. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah. Whenever you do become a member, yeah, just send me an email. Email at the top of your screen here. X whenever, and yeah, uh, and then I'll send you an invite. You're from Ireland? Yeah, you are. How close is Ireland from Scotland? How close? How close are you guys? From Ireland to Scotland? How close? What's thrusting? Come on, give us 20 something. Give us something. Hey yo, we have a new member, guys. Welcome to Discord. Welcome. Wait, welcome. Let's go. Welcome. So send me a quick email and I'll send you an invite here. So send me a quick email. Email at the top of your screen here. Your YouTube screen. Yeah, hottradex@gmail.com, and I'll send you an invite to join Discord. And then once you get that link, once you click on the link, just follow the steps in the Rose channel. Hey yo, Roger, just follow the steps in the Rose channel, right? Click the cookie and then follow the images there. Arrows pointing to the things, uh, pictures and arrows in the circles, and it's gonna walk you through everything you need to do, and you should be good to go. Welcome. Why? Why? Very close. Okay, cool. Very close. 1 hour flight away from Ireland. Ireland. Oh wow, cool. You guys are very close together. You after today, your life will never be the same again. Welcome. Your life will never be the same. Let's thrust it up for our new member. Oh no, Stuart, you're an absolute criminal. You know that? Absolute criminal. Let's thrust for a new member. Thrust for the new members. Get XRP, you'll be fine. Get XRP, you'll be fine. What's XRP doing anyways? Is it what is it doing? XRP. I guess I can just scroll down, but I just want to see it on the bubbles here though. Nah. It's obviously not one of the green bubbles yet, but what is it doing? It is number 7 on the list. It's at 36 cents. Okay, cool. The last hour it's up. Okay. I mean, it's recovered of that 30-cent level. Yeah, it's next door. Nice. Ireland, Scotland. Ireland. Very cool. We're ready for this Euro tour, Stuart. But someone just bought almost $1 million worth of Bitcoin. Look at that candle, guys. Look at that $1 million candle. Someone said, "I am in. I'm in." This is what they said. They were watching this video here. Let me play that video. They said this. They saw crypto pumping. They're like, the green FOMO gas hit them in the.
You son of a bitch! I'm in.
They said, "Yep, get me in for $1 million," and they got in. A better version, it is okay. Without my upgrade without my Gmail password, which is I've forgotten for this account. Oh no! What did you do? What did you do? What did you No, you should be fine. You should be fine. You should be fine. No, you should be fine. Yeah, you can upgrade. You can have a you. Yeah, you. No, you can upgrade later whenever you want. But you should be fine. You sign up for Discord. Yeah, you sign up for Discord. I think. Let me see here. Yeah, you sign up for Discord. Yeah, you should be okay. Yeah, so you sign up for Discord. Just send me an email. Email at the top of your screen here, and I'll send you that invite. Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. You signed up for Discord. I see it now. You signed up for Discord. Copy. La la la. So yeah, once I get your email here, I will respond to you with a link, and then you can just follow the steps in the Rose channel. Senorita, give him the thrust. Okay, Stuart, fine. They're spamming that stuff now. So I wanted to answer that question, but they're spamming. What do you think about BTC? And shout out to Senorita. What's the spam for? Now we're selling off again as people sell. Come on, people, stop selling. What are we doing here? Look at this. Look at these. Look at these. Those massive orders that come through. I think it's amazing how you see like all the money reflected on the chart. I think that's pretty cool to see. Really cool to see with Spotify. And then yeah, when you're really zoomed in, you can see like every single buy order like reflected on there, which is cool to see, right? So what do you think about Bitcoin? China says Bitcoin is going to zero, Senorita. So zero. Fence up. It's time. Stuart has been getting all these moves. He's practicing for the thrust. For the thrust. Yo, let me go find the song then, Stuart. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's get let me go find the other link too. Let's get the full thrust going here. The full thrust. I'm looking for Spider-Man Stuart. Unbelievable. Copy, 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 copy. Here we go. Sandbox is pumping today. Yeah, it is. Right. If you take a look at those crypto bubbles here, yeah, Sandbox is the biggest gainer on here. Top 100, right? Sandbox. Yep. Top gainer, 18%. What is it at? $1.30. Sandbox is at $1.30. Oh my goodness! Wow. Wow! Wow! Wow. Huh. Had no idea that thing had gone all the way to $1.30. I was watching a dollar just yesterday. It seems like just around $1. It's at $1.30 already. What's Mana at? Mana is at $1. Yeah. These things were 10 cents apart, like 2 days ago, which I thought was interesting. Less than 10 cents apart, right? You know, for the most part, it's always been around $1 difference. But yeah. Sandbox. Wasn't it like $7 before? Yeah. It ran to $7, right? If we take a look at like the yeah, it ran to what? Yeah, 7 and then sold up to 80 something cents. 82 cents. 82 cents. And then now it's rallying a little bit here. Rally, a little bit of a rally. Na, 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 na. Yeah, no, why? Let me know when you send that email, and I'll send you an invites. Yeah, wow, yeah. But that's everything though, you know, for the most part. Like when that thing rallied, like the metaverse was huge, right? It's metaverse this, metaverse that, blah blah blah. That explains the high sales in Vaseline. Yep, that's currently on sale. Yeah, I mean everything's on sale, right? Dollar cost average, just nibble, 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 right? So, yep. But it's done well. It's done well. Yeah, well, it seems, yeah, right. ENJ, Metaverse. Like these Metaverse plays will always go on these crazy rallies. Like, again, Sandbox Metaverse, right? ENJ Metaverse, Mana Metaverse, right? Gala Metaverse, right? So there are a few names on here that are rallying today, right? So all the same sector, if you want to call it, you know? So sector. Anyways, is that any? No, nothing on there. Alright, are you guys ready? Guys, ready for the full thrust? You ready? So if you're new to the channel, you know, you can put your hands up in the air and thrust. If you're an OG criminal, you know, you get on the floor naked, one hand on the ground, the other hand behind your hip, and you're ready to thrust like this little emoji on here that I'm gonna put up, right? So you're ready to thrust like this little criminal on the top of your screen here, right? So that's the full thrust. Are you guys ready? Okay, let me go. Let me go play the beats. And it doesn't matter where you are. You know, tell your neighbor. You know, put the lawnmower in the side. Tell your neighbors to go inside because you're about to get crazy. If you're at the doctor's office, tell your doctor, please, 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 please stop the operation, please, and thank you. You know, if you're at work, tell your boss it's time to he needs to chill out a bit because you're about to get thrusting. Ready? And look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. and come on, let's go, Spider-Man. Show the people how it's done. to the, to the, to the, and what? To the left, and slide to the right. With eye contact, please. Thrust with confidence. Again, it doesn't matter where you are. To the, to the. You're walking down the street with confidence, please. And what? And what? And slide to the left, and spin. Come on now. Oh, it's frozen? Yeah, it froze for a little bit there. That's okay. Come on. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. If you remember when I say and what, you say and thrust. And go, go. And what? And what? And thrust. It's freezing a little bit there, which is annoying. And what? And thrust. And what? Come on. And what? And thrust. To the left. And thrust. To the right. And thrust. When Lambo. When moon. When sun. At night. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Come on now. To the window. To the wall. Come on. Go, go. Put your hands up in the air. Come on, put the hand on the ground, please, and thank you. And thrust. Come on, you owner. And thrust. And thrust. And thrust. Come back here, Spider-Man. To the left. And thrust. To the right. Yeah, there it goes. You're stopped out. Okay. It's Saturday, guys. There we go. That was thank you very much. There you go. Thank you, Spider-Man. And back to business. Like nothing criminal just happened. Like nothing happened. If someone shows up to the channel, this is them. They're like, what's going on here? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? What's going on over here? But anyways, helicopter time. So you can put the clothes back on, please. Put the pants back on. And yeah, you got liquidated. You got stopped out. Okay. Yeah, for Matic is a scary short. There are a few names that are scary to short. Matic is one of them, right? Matic would be almost like one of those names that you expect to recover really quickly, right? So yeah, that's Matic had a nice little little bit of thrusting there, right? So you got stopped out of that there. Yep. Yeah, you did. Yeah, it's back to 60 cents. Like Matic is an absolute monster there, right? So I want to be careful shorting Matic. There's some names that are easier to short. Some names that will always feel like resistance. Just things that always struggle, right? So you want to short those ones instead. Just another day at Hot Trade, Stuart. Just another day, guys. See you in a couple of hours, Mr. Thrust. Alrighty, guys. We're gonna leave it here for now. See you all in Discord. Again, if you're not a member yet, and if you do sign up after the stream is over, just send me an email. Email at the top of your screen here, and I'll send you an invite. Other than that, though, thank you guys very much. Well, make sure you send me that email, and I'll send you an invite. So again, hottradesx@gmail.com. It's at the top there. And yeah, guys. Alrighty. Good to see you guys. Have a wonderful Saturday. Enjoy the rest of the day, please, and thank you. And alrighty, Virus, Stuart, come on, thank you very much. Have a wonderful Saturday. Two fingers, Virus. Gary, is Gary still Gary? I hope you're not being caught by the police, please. Jersey, have a wonderful Saturday. Why? Welcome to Discord. Have a wonderful Saturday. Your owner, have a wonderful Saturday. Let's go. I think Carlos is gone already. Ruth, have a wonderful Saturday. Good to see you again. Erica, have a wonderful Saturday. Good to see you. Right. So and yeah, Jason. Oh yeah, that thing wants to go. Jason, have a wonderful Saturday. Is 20% should have closed out then. Yeah, it's 20%. Yeah, what I like to do is like set a stop loss at break even. Once you get a rally like that, you just set a stop loss at break even. Why? And then you could always like get back in, right? Oh yeah, look, that's Matic. They're getting some boom boom candles, right? That's Matic. D, good to see you. Have a wonderful Saturday as well. Are you working? You're working, right? So, cool. Good. Enjoy your Saturday as well. Alrighty, guys. You send an email. Let's see. Don't see it yet. Yeah. Don't see it yet. Uh, and, I'll give it a second or so and then make sure I actually got it. Nope, nothing yet. La, la, la. La, la, la. Is Bitcoin thrusting with this? Yeah, it is actually. Let me go back over to Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is going for a little rally, which it always does when we are about to leave. So, yeah, a little bit of thrusting here for Bitcoin. Working on me to death. The wife is working me to death. Yeah, well, I don't see that email yet. So I'll give it a second or so. Maybe it'll show up in a few minutes. Nah. Maybe let me see what these bubbles look like in the last 5 minutes here. 5 minutes. Interesting. No massive orders coming through there. Just a regular 200,000, 300,000 orders coming through, right? So another 6 minutes to go. Gary says, okay, another 6 minutes to go. Another 6 minutes to go. We never leave on time, do we? Send her on vacation, it works. Send her on vacation. Send her on vacation. Where are these candles? All the way to the top? Yeah, there you go. Come on, thrust more. ApeCoin, I can take a look. Are you in a position already, Cool? You're in a position? Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. If you haven't already, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And yeah. I'll take a look at Kappa in a second. If I don't forget, I'll take a look. Cool. I will take a look. Oh wow. Wow. Someone just sold 1.1 million. Someone sold $500,000. Someone sold 300,000. Someone sold 400,000. Look at these orders. And look at these candles, guys. Unbelievable. Look at that rubbish. Look at that. Whose fault is this? I don't know. But someone said, yep, $1.1 million. Bye-bye. I'm selling it. We rallied, so I'm dumping. Scalp, guys. Look at these criminals. Damn. Yup. They're like, I'm out of here. It's fun to like watch these things like react right away to the candles and the sell. Yep. And they're still selling. Look at all of that, right? Wow. Like there's monies, like a lot of monies. Look at that. Someone sells 100,000. Someone sells $600,000 worth, $400,000 worth, $500,000, $1.1 million worth of Bitcoin. Like they're just scalping up and down, and making monies. They're like, yep, I bought it 5 minutes ago. We rallied. Okay, cool. Time to run. This is Gary. Impressive. That. Yeah, that's the 1 second chart. So it reacts really quickly, right? So you can see every single bit of the rubbish as it happens. And then you look at that $1.1 million order, or like all of that selling pressure on the 1 minute time frame. It's like this, right? So yep, it's a nice fat red candle too. Why I shouldn't go to the spam? No, I shouldn't go to the spam. No, I don't see anything there either. Let me see here. Maybe it'll show up in a few minutes here. Why? Or Or oh yeah, we're riding there a little bit now too. We're back above 21 too. I'll send you that email. I'll post the link here. Let me know when you get it. While I'll post that link to join Discord here. It's only gonna work if you, for you though, because you're a member. It's not gonna work for anybody else. So I guess I can post it here. So that's the link right there. So click on that link and then follow the steps in the Rose channel. Click the cookie. Follow those images, and you should be good to go. Right. So let me know when you click on it. And then yeah. And then I'll deactivate the link once you click on it, and then we can get a new link. No, 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 no. Just let me know when you get it. No, 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 no. Because I know if people are gonna click on that link, it's not gonna work though. Sorry, that link will not work. Yeah, there you go. Okay, you clicked on the link. Perfect. Yeah, now just follow the steps in the Rose channel. No, 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 no. But we can barely like stay above like 21,200. Like what's going on here, BTC? We can't hold above anything here. Just playing games. Already, guys. Already. Let's call it the because we're just going to the abyss now. Look at that. Look at that. It was selling off on like the one. Look at that sell off. Wow. Wow. Yeah, we can barely hold above anything. Can't hold. Can't seem to hold. Yeah. So again, why? Make sure you follow the steps in the Rouge channel because you're in Discord but you're not fully connected yet, right? So make sure you follow the steps in the Rouge channel. You should be good to go. Already? Yeah. Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Show us the blood. Yeah, that's blood. Wow, Stuart. Look at this rubbish. Anyways, have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. We will see you all in Discord and on the next stream. Bye, all. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Oh yeah, crypto is going to the. Let's run. Let's run before this blood splatters on. Look at these sell orders like 800,000, 200,000, 300,000. Just a whole bunch of selling coming through there, and it's not stopping. I have 600,000, 1 million, right? So, yep. I mean, the chart has basically got to the abyss, and now with the buy order, it's trying to bounce here now. Bye, Ruth. Bye, Virus. Bye, Gary. Bye, Stuart. Bye, Stuart. Don't worry, Ruth will join after, and then send me an email. Right, Ruth? All right, it's okay. Oh wow, look at that! Look at the sell orders here. Wow. Yep. These guys are getting dangerous. 3 days later, they're still waving. But I know, right? I know. Okay. Bye.